Hi everybody, it's Nunu, your friendly teacher guide, and my purpose in this video is to provide an overview of this assignment, personal essay, the story of you. And yes, that assignment sounds like this is your story that you're going to write, and that is absolutely right. You are going to write a personal essay. Last week, we went over Zora Neale Hurston's amazing personal essay, How It Feels to Be Colored Me, and you are using that as a model to show you what you can reach for, what's possible in your writing, not what's probable. I was born on a dark and stormy night, something like that, but to really reach into yourself and to pull words out of yourself without worrying about an audience's expectation, what the reader thinks, because Zora certainly didn't worry about that. She worried about communicating her vision to you, and you're going to do that in this essay. You're going to communicate your vision to us, the readers. All right. So let's look over these directions now, and we can see that they're very detailed, they're very useful, and I'm not, of course, going to read all of these to you. You're going to read them to yourself very carefully from beginning to end. I'm just going to point out some key pieces of information, and the first thing would be, here it is right here, our class rule: use artificial intelligence, AI, appropriately. And I'll let you read this rule on your own. Learn how you can use AI to help you to improve your writing, but not to harm your progress as a writer. All right, the next thing is the personal essay. It's due by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. Now, something I do need to tell you about this personal essay is that I am limiting you to 500 words, 2 pages. Why am I doing that? I am limiting your word count because I want you to write meaningfully, to choose every word, to make it count. I'm not giving you 5 or 10 pages. I want you to get to the heart of the conflict or conflicts in your life, which lead to the plot in your life, how the conflicts, the problem or problems are resolved or not resolved, which is what Zora Neale Hurston writes about in How It Feels to Be Colored Me. All right, now something else I do need to show you is that you do have peer evaluations. They're due on Sunday. Now these peer evaluations that you will complete, there will be 2 for this personal essay, are very specific. You have 10 questions that you will need to answer about 2 peers' essays. And I would suggest numbering your answers. You don't have to copy the questions, but just number them and really work on providing meaningful answers to these questions, because one of the most important parts of the writing process in this class, I think in any creative writing class, is the peer review process, the peer evaluations. That's where we don't have the one teacher with the one perspective, but we have many teachers with multiple perspectives who will help you to improve your writing. And that's what the peer review process is all about. And it's worth a lot of points, so you really want to complete it. All right, if you have any questions or concerns about this assignment, I'm over here in Inbox, and you can always come over here to Home as well. And in Home, you'll want to go ahead and click on this desk icon with office hours, and it will let you know my Zoom office hours and the access information to them, and we can meet face to face in cyberspace. All right, I hope that this video was very helpful to you. If you have any questions or concerns, again, I'm here. And who am I? I'm Nunu. I'm your friendly teacher guide.